Hey, Molly. You tired, huh? Wear your little self out. Over here snoring like a human.